south wind moan. Bridges getting lower, trim boats coming home. The old man down in a corner and slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a punctured train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane and come around every June. The high black water, devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Yeah! Man came down from Chicago, he gonna sit down and levee right. Says it needs to be 3 feet high, but won't make it through the night. The old man down in the quarter said, don't you listen to that ball. Water be down by the morning, he'll be back to Illinois. 'Cause I was born in the rain on a punctured train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, come around every June. Yeah, the high black water, never thought her. She's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. South wind moan. Bridges getting lower, shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the corner, he slowly turns his head and takes a drink from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a punctured train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. Well, the high black water, devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. They come around every June.
Y'all, I think